Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Kuya Jian, give me some Bible verse.
Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Psalm 136:1. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. His love endures forever. Proverbs 3:5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Matthew 22:39. Love your neighbor as yours. Ephesians 4:32. Be kind to one. 1 John 4:19. We love because the first about Psalm 36:3. When I am with I will trust in you. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Psalm 118:24. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. 1 Thessalonians 5:16. Rejoice always. Psalm 119:105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Philippians 4:4. Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice. Colossians 3:20. Children, obey your parents, everything, for this pleases the Lord. Proverbs 17:17. A friend loves all times.
Wow, very good. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you.